Hi guys, it's Rachel back again. I watched the video that I just made where I made this and I realized that you couldn't see my sewing machine. So I thought I'd better just do a little quick add-on and just show you what I was doing at the sewing machine. I'm actually going to stitch up all of these bits that I've got cut here. So yeah, I didn't think that you could see. So basically I'm just sliding up like this. Oh yes, and it's a noisy video, so turn your volume down if you want to. So yeah, and where I couldn't, like here I'm not having any trouble. But where I was having trouble sliding up the papers with my hands, I just used my scissors. I'll show you how. So for example, I need to get a fold in there. Might not be able to here. I'll do it there. Oh, okay. Yeah, just use my scissors when I have trouble doing it by hand. I think we could add a bit of interest. We're not adding any interest at the moment. Add that as well. And get a fold happening. Sometimes the scissors are easier. Let's have... Oh, and another thing that I did that I didn't do in the other one was if I can open this, this is some tissue. Is that two? Yeah, 2 pieces of tissue. I do 2 pieces of tissue so you get a bit of sort of thickness. That really bunches up. Look at the music paper again. Now I find the music paper is a little bit, what about a little bit of netting? The music paper is a little bit harder to bunch up, so I use my scissors. Just going to trim this. So I'm actually recording on my telephone, so I probably won't be able to join these 2 videos together. But I just thought I better anticipate the fact that you couldn't see what I was doing on the sewing machine. But it's a really fast way to use up your scraps, really fast. Okay, so I've nearly finished that bit and I didn't put another piece of paper underneath. So I just put my needle down, in this case, lift it. What do I have here? This would be nice in there, wouldn't it? Add something else. Here we go. Well, that's a nice. Oh no, add this piece here. Plain. Is it double? Some of them are double. And I think I might add a bit more. No, well, no, it's all the same, isn't it? I'll add this piece. And this piece. I can't tell you how many scraps I've used up here. I think I put that one on top. So I get a double layer. So this is really just more of the same as the other video. It's just you couldn't see me in the other video. So if you want to switch off, you're not going to miss anything, is all I want to say. You don't need to. It was just to show you how I was bunching it up. So maybe I think I'll publish this video. I don't know. Should I publish this video first? Decisions are always the worst. I don't know. I'll decide. I'm having trouble sliding this one up, so I think I'll just use my scissors. That'll help. It's better. You just pop back over there and stuff. And I think I'll end off here. So we'll have a look what I've done, and then I've got a short video as well. So that is my other bit, and that was that matter of minutes, and I've already done heaps. It's a little bit wonky, but it doesn't matter because you'll be cutting bits off it and using bits. Okay, so, oops, sorry. That's the end of my video, and I will see you soon. Bye.